How's it? Sean from Mel's YouTube book site YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about number 6, soul urge, the inner expression. So before we get started, please make sure you subscribe to our channel. It's free. And also make sure you hit the notification button so you can get updated with all our future videos. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started. Birth soul number 6, Hexad, was considered a sacred number because the world was created in 6 days, and on the 6th day man was created. Pythagoras called it the form of forms, the articulation of the universe, and the maker of the soul. His followers called it the perfection of parts, and Venus herself. Hexad was the source of harmony, and Venus is the mother of harmony. The hexad was the perfection of parts because it is the only number from 1 to 10 that is completely equal in its divisions and produces a hexagon when the 6 lines are circularly drawn and adjoined like individual pockets in a honeycomb or a double triangle. It is noted that nature is partial to 6-cornered formations of crystals, as well as the relation of the 6 to body and form. It is also seen in the fact that the world consists of 6 sides: north, south, east, west, height, and depth. The vowel in the world equals O, which in the numerical chart equals 6, and Earth's vowels E plus A equals 1 plus 5 equals 6. Both add up to a 6 soul urge number, meaning to propagate the species and to nurture. The number 6 is the symbol of creation, and no creation would have taken place without the Word of God. 6 equates with sex to bring about creation that can continually renew itself through the vibrational force of number 6. By adding together both the total number value of the vowels and the consonants, you will find the total expression of the name. This indicates the direction that one should find their success and happiness. It combines their innermost desires with the outward projection of their total personality and talents, and therefore paints a true picture of their personality. Ascribe to each of the letters and numbers value in the alphabet in the reference chart below, which we're going to show you now. We as humans are here to learn certain lessons, and those lessons are found in our personal names. Every letter and number contains divine attributes of our Creator, talents and qualities that have been given to us at birth. The value of a birth name expression. For example, Gerald uses his name when he comes into contact with others. His name is said when he speaks on the phone, when he speaks to family and friends, when he opens an account in a bank or a shop. He not only says his name Gerald, he writes it down. Everybody he knows calls him by his name. Alright, so vowels are the soul of the word. It's life, so to speak. Vowels of a person's name bear a close relationship to a person's inner feelings, which is the total number of the vowel numbers known as the soul urge number. From the soul urge number, we learn more subtle aspects of the individual's sensitivity, fortitude, and drive. This is expressed in a number of ways: feelings, emotions, desires, fancies, and so on. Numerology, numerical and alphabet reference chart. Alright, goes from 1 to 9. 1 stands for A, J, and S, right up to 9, which is I and R. Name expressions. Gerald's birth name number 11. G equals 7, E equals 5, R equals 9, A equals 1, L equals 3, and D equals 4. You add this all up, it comes to 29. The root number 29 equals 11, Gerald's birth name number 11. Vowels in Gerald's soul urge number equals E plus A equals 5 plus 1 equals 6. Therefore, Gerald's soul urge inner expression number is equal to the number 6. Soul urge number 6, balance and harmony. I want my voice to be heard. Vowel numbers total 6. It is the inner expression of the name, Gerald. Love and creativity is Gerald's soul urge. Every opportunity to express himself should be taken, whether at work, with a hobby, or at home. His strength will decline if he allows his creative side to elapse into over-anxiety. This person needs to consciously develop their creative faculties through the powers of their existing numbers. If they possess a number 3 as well, the task is made easier. Without the 3, they will have to make a mental effort to produce creativity necessary for their development. Number 6, peace and contentment are their greatest desire and don't care for the humdrum activity of exciting places. They prefer a quiet place where they can meditate and mull over anything they wish for and desire, or whether it is really what they want. There is no great drive to attain what they desire. but once decided upon, they steadily work towards their aims and achieve it, enjoying every step of the way and therefore appreciate things so much more. This faith sustains them throughout their lives. Responsibility is the key to their complete happiness. Truth and justice is for all is their motto, and the golden rule is their code of ethics. Home life, family, and children are most important to them, and they especially love their animal friends. They make excellent hosts and put everyone at ease, and a good time is had by all. This they give of themselves constantly, knowing that what they do for others, they will do for you. They make good writers, orators, teachers, and politicians. They are highly intuitive and strongly connected to music, colors, and art, and anything that brings harmony and beauty. They make excellent conversationalists and thoroughly enjoy intellectual discussions and have a keen interest in humanity. Number six, however, tend to have emotional highs and lows at times when they are particularly vulnerable and must never be deterred from their esteemed goals. They are highly sensitive to vibrations and dislike being criticized and will often do anything for people, even at their own expense. A bit idealistic, they do not sometimes see people or situations correctly and get disappointed when expectations are not met, when things go wrong. They must draw upon their great source of faith, knowing that all will be well soon. Gerald's number 11, full name number, and his soul urge number 6 complement each other in that his soul urge number 6 will give him the creative ideas and confidence to accomplish many things in his life. This will help to keep his full name number 11's intense nervous energy down and also spiritually enhance number 6's mental outlook, whereby both the numbers in his birth name chart benefit. Okay, so positive attributes: teacher, artistic, humanitarian, serves, and responsible. Negative attributes: moody, argue, meddlesome, and smug. Okay, so that's it for number 6, soul urge inner expression. All right. So please like this video, please share it, and once again subscribe to our channel. It's free. And also make sure you hit the notification button so you can get updated with all our future videos. Alright, until our next video, this is Sean from Mel's YouTube book site YouTube channel. Good day on you.